Last time we have seen at or on, with, activities and ideas. Today we are going to have our next chapter of prepositions with by. This could be the last chapter of our prepositions today. I'm going to start a new chapter tomorrow. Please don't be absent. If you will be absent tomorrow, it will be your loss and it will be only you are going to compensate it well. Is that clear? So if you're going to be absent tomorrow, may God help you, because I'm going to start tomorrow your written English. How to write in English. I'm going to start your written English chapter tomorrow. So please don't be absent. Nobody will be absent tomorrow. Is that clear? And I hope all of you are practicing at home. And if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me directly, no problem at all. Now today we are going to have a new preposition in English, and that's what? By. When do we use by? By के भी दो तीन मीनिंग है इंग्लिश के अंदर. By म्हणजे जवळ. For example, my bottle is by me. My phone is by me. मेरे पास में माझा फोन माझ्याकडे आहे. By me. The laptop is by me. Next one, another way to say bye is what? Point number one. This is the another way to say bye. Bye where you can say for by car, by bus, by plane, by bike, by शी. अपन बोलते हैं ना बाइक शी, प्लेन कार वगैरह, बाइक से, प्लेन से, कार से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बाय बस. आई कम टू कॉलेज बाय बस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डू यू लाइक ट्रैवलिंग बाय ट्रेन? बाय ट्रेन. ट्रेन से जाना आपको अच्छा लगता है क्या? Jen usually goes to work by bike. She goes to work by bike. Could you please give me some sentences like this? By plane, by train, by bus, by car, by boat, by ship. Yes,
I will go to college by bike.
correct. I will go to college by bike. Please, all of you, unmute yourself and make sentences. Bye.
I go to city in car. By
I
car.
go to city by car. I go downtown by car. Yes.
By the way, I am driving now.
Oh मित्रा, तो by the way दूसरा आहे. हा बाय, फक्त बाय आहे हा. By car, by train, by plane. Yes.
I like to travel by car.
I like to travel by car. Very good. Yes. Yes.
I go to Dubai by plane.
I go to Dubai by plane. Yes.
I'm going to vacation on by train.
Very good. I'm going on vacation by train. Yes.
I go to holiday by bike.
I go for holidays by bike. Not exactly. We can't say I go for holidays by bike. Holiday के लिए मैं बाइक पे जाता हूँ. ऐसा कभी होता है क्या? Yes, continue, ma'am. Make sentences. By.
He goes to office by car.
Very good. He goes to office by car.
If you have to go there fast, then you have to go by plane.
I go to.
Correct. You have to go
I
by
go
plane.
to class by bicycle.
Very good. I go to class by bicycle. Shivdas,
My friend
Ankit.
is by me.
Very good. My friend is by me. But I want different one, ma'am. By car, by bike, by plane, by bus, by air.
He's going shopping by car.
Correct. They are going shopping by car.
He always go by bus.
He always goes by bus.
He went by car.
He went by a car. Yes.
We have to go other countries by plane.
We have to go other countries by plane.
We are racing by bike.
Correct. We are racing by bike. Yes.
Lena usually goes to school by school bus.
Correct. Lena usually goes to school by school bus. Good.
I'm going on picnic by ship.
I'm going on a picnic by ship. Yes.
He goes to school on his bicycle.
He goes to school on his bicycle.
Answer,
Mr.
sir.
Ankit,
To market by car.
by car.
We
I
have to
go
do
to work by
exercise.
car.
I go to work by car. Yes, ma'am.
We have to do exercise by bicycle.
We have to do exercise by bicycle. Yes. By car, by bicycle. Okay. On foot. What do you mean by on foot? अच्छा पैदल को मराठी में क्या बोलते हैं? पैदल
चालत
पैदल
चालने.
जाने को
चालत.
पायी
चालत.
चालत जाणे.
चालत जाने. Okay. If you can't get there by car, get there by car, you have to go on foot. You have to go on foot. For example, she's going on foot. She's going on foot. She's going on foot. Can you please give me some sentences like this with on foot? I used to go to my aunt on foot when I was a child. Sometimes I go to the market on foot. Every day morning, I go to the garden on foot. Yes,
I go to gym on foot.
I go to gym on foot.
Every Sunday I go on foot 4.
1 minute. फाइल चेक हो गया.
नहीं ये क्यों रखे तुमने मतलब इसके अंदर क्या डालेंगे
फाइल
पूरी फाइल इसमें डालेंगे
stationery. Just 1 minute. I'm really sorry. Sorry. Continue, please. On foot. I hardly go on foot to the market. I hardly go on foot to the market. Yes.
I go market on foot.
I go to market on foot.
I go to market on foot.
Yes.
I used to go school on foot.
I used to go to school on foot. Yes.
I used to go on market on foot.
I used to go to the market on foot. Yes.
I go to college on foot.
I go to college on foot. Yes. Okay.
I walking.
I go shopping on foot.
I walk on foot. I go for walking on foot.
Every day at least 1 hour I have to go on foot.
Every day at least 1 hour I have to go on foot. Yes. 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 Anyone else? Yes. Shivdas. Karthik. Ma'am. All right. A book by, a painting by, a piece of music by, etc. Okay. Now a book by, a painting by, a piece of music by. For example, have you read any books by Charles Dickens? Have you read any books by Charles Dickens? The book is by Charles Dickens. The book is by the writer. And the writer is Charles Dickens. Who is that painting by? The painting is by Picasso. Pablo Picasso. So by. For example, see, I have written over here, even for my file. Can you please mute yourself, all of you? Someone's sound was echoing. If you see over here, see, Cambridge tutorials by Ansar Idrisi. He's the author of this book. So Cambridge tutorials by me. मतलब मेरे से. बोलते हैं ना, brought to you by डाबर आमला केशव हेयर ऑयल. सुना रहेगा आप लोगों ने. The advertises brought to you by Bajaj Allianz. Can you please give me some sentences like this? By. A book by Charles Dickens. A painting by Picasso. Yes. The music is by Arjit Singh. Yes. Yes, continue please. Give me some sentences with by.
This Rangoli by my sister.
Very good. This Rangoli is by my sister. Very good.
This meeting is led by my bro.
Yes.
This meeting is led by Nazim.
Correct. This lead is by Nazim. Yes. Yes.
Have you read any book by J.K. Rowling?
Correct. J.K. Rowling. Have you read any book by J.K. Rowling? Nice. I've read many books by William Shakespeare.
Sir, your voice is coming 2 times. Is it only for me or not? Don't know, sir.
I think it is because of. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
मैडम का कुछ एको हो रहा है वहाँ पर, मैडम का साउंड में.
मेरा सर?
या राइट. सी, अभी एको नहीं हो रहा है. आई थिंक मैडम के कुछ वहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है, या तो फिर मैम ने स्पीकर पे लगाया रहेगा.
नो सर, स्पीकर पे नहीं है सर.
डोंट नो. तो फिर ऐसे शायद एक बार एको हो रहा है आपके उसमें से आवाज मेरा.
लैपटॉप के पास मोबाइल नहीं है तो सर.
लैपटॉप के पास मोबाइल रखा है क्या मैम आपने? Okay, can you continue please? The song is by Mr. Sahir.
It is by Sajid Khan.
Correct. The song is by Sajid Khan. This
The
product is by
article-
Apple.
The article is by Chetan Bhagat.
Correct. The article is by Chetan Bhagat. The book is by Chetan Bhagat.
The sculpture by Ankit Kumar.
Correct. The sculpture is by Ankit Kumar. Good.
The painting by Ankit Kumar.
The painting is by Ankit Kumar. Very nice.
Today's coffee made by me.
Today's coffee made by me. Good.
Microsoft support.
Yes.
Bill Gates.
Microsoft is by Bill Gates.
Sketch is by Kaveri Kunjir.
Very good. I saw a sketch by him.
This fort is painted by me.
Correct. This fort is painted by me. Correct.
सर अभी भी इको आ रहा है सर?
No, it is clear now. It is good. Thank you. Yes, the design is made by me. The book
The
is
living
written by
room
Chaitali.
wall decorated by me.
Very good. The structure is made by Shivdas. Yes. The plan is made by Ankit.
The project by Ganesh Kumar Group.
Good. The project is by Ganesh Kumar Group. Good.
This match arranged by me.
This match is arranged by me. IPL is hosted by Vivo. Yes or no? Yes.
This function managed by me.
This function is managed by me.
The introduction was written by me.
Good. The introduction is written by me. This product is by Samsung. They used a phone by Micromax.
This car is by Toyota.
This car is by Toyota. Land Cruiser is by Toyota. Range Rover is by Land Rover.
इसके papers हैं, इसके आगे 2-3 हैं questions।
कुछ
MacBook
में
is by
नहीं है ना?
Apple.
कुछ नहीं है।
कितने में नहीं है मेरे को देखकर बता दो, मिल जाएंगे कल.
मतलब अभी एक्स्ट्रा जेरॉक्स नहीं है।
Yes, continue.
The MacBook is by Apple.
The MacBook is by Apple. Okay, any doubts to anyone with this one?
No, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Very easy, बहुत easy थे. Okay. Next. Now we are going to go for the next one. That's what with and without. With and without. बहुत easy है. With and without. Now what do you mean by with? सोबत. Without? बिन सोबत. क्या बोलते हैं? सोबत का अपोजिट क्या है मराठी में? बिना, है ना?
हो सर.
Yes, sir.
सोबत का अपोजिट क्या है? विना है ना?
हो सर.
Okay, good. So I know Marathi. Let's go. Did you stay at a hotel or with your friends? Did you stay at a hotel or with your friends? म्हणजे फ्रेंड सोबत थांबलेले हॉटेलवर थांबलेले का फ्रेंड सोबत थांबलेले तुम्ही काल? नेक्स्ट वन. वेट फॉर मी, प्लीज डोंट गो विदाउट मी. है कि नहीं? वो बोल रही है गुड्डू को, गुड्डू प्लीज डोंट गो विदाउट मी. गुड्डू प्लीज डोंट गो विदाउट मी. गुड्डू भैया, do you like coffee with or without milk? Do you like coffee with milk or without milk? I cut the paper with a pair of scissors. I cut a paper with a pair of scissors. I cut fruit with knife. I cut fruit with knife. I make design with pencil. Or I make design by pencil. दोन्ही पण corrected. I make designs by pencil. I make designs with pencil. All right, can you please give me some sentences with and without? With and without. Very easy. With and without. I got a charger with my phone. Phone sobat.
I can't live without her.
Ha. I can't live without you, Didi. खतरनाक माणूस. Continue. Yes.
I can't learn without answer, sir.
Nice. Thank you.
I writes with a pen.
Very good. I write with pens. Yes, ma'am.
Make
Shiva.
I
tea
like
with
tea
milk.
without sugar.
Repeat. I like
Tea
tea.
without sugar.
Very
Without
good.
sugar.
Very good.
I can't live. I can't
Please
live.
don't go shopping without me.
Don't go shopping without me. मला जाऊ दे ना घरी. Continue.
Would you like tea with sugar or without sugar?
Very good. Do you like tea with sugar or without sugar?
I can't live without mobile.
I can't live without my mobile. Very good. Chatting man.
I
Don't go
went to the garden with my cousins.
Very good. I went to the garden with my cousins. Karthik.
Don't go party without me.
Don't go to parties. Don't go parties without me. Good. I want a bungalow with a big garden. Yes, with and without.
I like to travel with my friends.
I like to travel with my friends. Yes.
I want burgers with so many cheese.
Good. Very good. Yes.
Do you
Continue.
like pav bhaji with butter?
कार्तिक शिवदास कुठे आहे आपण? मॅम.
I take a lunch with salad.
Correct. I take lunch with salads.
I go to college with you.
I go to college with you. Okay. Without and with. Give me some more sentences. I don't want anything without his permission. I don't want anything without his permission. Yes.
I attend the function with parents.
I attend all the functions with parents. Good.
I join the class with my mobile.
I join class with my mobile. I stay with my parents. I live with my parents. Good. Give me sentences, please.
I leave the city with my chum.
I live in the city with my chum.
I'm going on vacation with my cousins.
I'm going on vacation with my cousins. Good.
I saw you with my eyes.
Ahaha. Ma'am,
I am not able to attend class without internet connection.
very good. I'm not able to attend class without internet connection. Good.
You went to the party without me.
Very good. You went to the party without me, right? Good.
Do you like to come with me?
Do you like to come with me? Very good.
I
I
came
don't go anywhere without my cousin. Yes, Karthik.
I came with my brother.
I came here with my brother. Shivdas,
Would you like to have dinner with me?
would you like to have dinner with me?
I can't sleep with my brother.
I can't sleep with my brother.
Do you like coffee with me?
Would like to have coffee with me?
I go to college without my bike.
I go to college without my bike. Yes. I always take my wallet with me while going out. Please carry your documents with you. When you go
You
to
can't join the meeting without internet.
without internet. Next.
My friend
I'm
got
not-
angry with me.
Very good.
I am not going outside without my mobile.
Very good. I'm not going out without my mobile. Do you see here some sentences are there which are really different? A man with a beard. दाढ़ी के साथ में जो आदमी है. A woman with glasses. A woman with glasses. A man with beard. Okay? A man with beard. A woman with glasses. For example, do you know that man with the beard? I'd like to have a house with a big garden. Garden सोबत. तुम्हाला दिसतंय का तो man? दाढी सोबत तो माणूस थांबलाय बघा तिथं. Can you please call that boy with red shirt? Can you please call that boy with red shirt? Red shirt मध्ये जो boy आहे ना तिथं त्याला बोलवा. Can you call that boy with red shirt? Yes. Continue please.
I can't sleep without light.
Very good. With, without. Please call the students without satchel.
Have you seen that man with a gray shirt on a party?
Very good. Have you seen that man gray shirt on the party? Good. Good, good. Very good. Nice, Shivdas. With gray shirt.
I can't
Yes.
play cricket without friend.
I can't play cricket without friends. Yes. With or without.
I can't stay hotel without anyone.
Very good.
Do you see that girl with short hair?
Very good. Do you see that girl with short hair? Very good. Short hair सोबत ती girl दिसते का तुम्हाला? Very good. Do you see that girl with short hair?
Do you see that tall man with the bag?
Very good. Do you see that tall man with bag? Please give this letter to the lady with white gown. Please give this letter to the lady with white gown. White gown मध्ये जी lady आहे ना त्याला तिला ते letter द्या. Yes.
Please call this man red t-shirt.
Please call the man with the red t-shirt. Red t-shirt मध्ये जो man आहे ना त्याला बोलवा जरा. Good. Very good. Yes. Yes. Continue.
Please give my message to the man with specs.
Please give a message to the man with specs. Yes. Yes. Yes.
सर
Yes.
जिसको बियर्ड नहीं रहेंगे उसको क्या बोलेंगे?
Without beard.
विदाउट बियर्ड.
बिना दाढ़ी वाला. Okay. Could you please give me some sentences now with new preposition? That's what about. About. What do you mean by about?
बद्दल.
Baddal. Baddal बोलते ना?
हाँ सर.
Very good. Talk about, speak about, think about, hear about, know about, etc. For example, some people talk about their work all the time. Some people talk about their work all the time. Next, I don't know much about cars. About cars. I don't know much about cars. A book about, question about, a program about, information about, etc. There was a program about volcanoes on TV last night. Did you see it? About volcanoes. Can you please give me some sentences with about? I want to know about you something. Do you want to tell me something about you? Please tell me about yourself. I don't know about this project much.
Do you know about answer sir class?
Good.
Do you know about answer sir class?
Very good. Do you know about cars? Not exactly. Yes, continue.
There was a program about beauty tips on TV last night.
Very good. There was a program about beauty tips on TV last night. Yes, please.
I'm thinking about joining a new class.
Very good. I'm thinking about to join a new class.
I know about it.
I know about it. Good. I
I'm
already
going
know
to
about
talk
it.
about myself.
I'm going to talk about myself.
She was talking about you.
Good.
She knows very well about me.
She knows very well about me. Wait 1 minute.
Thinking about the future. Hello, sir.
Continue. So sorry. I'm so sorry. Continue, please. About.
I'm thinking about my future.
Okay. I'm thinking about Namrata. I'm thinking about my future.
इनको पैक करना है.
Good, Ankit. Yes.
I'm talking about my friend.
I'm talking about my friends. Continue, please.
Why do you think about her again and again?
Why do you think about her again and again? Good. Yes.
Today I am going to seminar about industrial management.
Very good. Today I'm going for a seminar about industrial management. Yes.
Do you hear anything about them?
Do you hear anything about them? Good. Keep on making sentences with about. बहुत easy है. बहुत खूब easy है.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, don't worry about it. It's with me.
Do you think about that picture?
Do you think about that picture? What do you think about that picture? Yes. Continue, please. Continue. Guddu, make sentences. Shivdas.
Don't
Karthik.
worry about your future, just create it.
Don't worry about your future. Just create it. Good.
Have you heard about it?
Have you heard about it before? Very good.
I think about Ganesh Kumar Group.
Very good. I think about Ganesh Kumar Group. I always think about it. Good. Give me sentences
I
with
talk
about.
about my
Jaldi,
past
jaldi.
with my friend.
I talk about my past with my friends.
Speak at least one paragraph on your favorite topic.
About your favorite topic. Good. Please speak up at least one paragraph about your favorite topic. Keep on, guys. Keep on. Very good. Keep on.
Give a lecture about any topic.
Very good.
That movie was about space-related research.
Get 5 minutes and think about it.
Very good. Very good.
Do you heard about face yoga?
Did you hear about face yoga? Really? Face yoga, ma'am?
I am ready
Yeah,
in
yeah, sir.
about 15 minutes.
Very good.
Please teach about English grammar.
Very good. Bag le camera. Bag. Madam, what is face yoga?
Read about things of
Mm,
thoughts.
Sir,
Very
wait.
good.
One site is there, sir, for face yoga on YouTube. I think Sarva Yoga, sir.
Okay. So how do they do that face yoga?
Sir, there is a video, sir, on YouTube, and it is very good, sir, for face yoga.
Wow.
Sarva Yoga.
Good. I'll check it today.
Yeah, sir. Mansi Gulati is there, and she teach from that videos how to do that.
Good. Okay, I'll see that today.
Yes, sir.
Mansi Gulati, right?
Mansi Gulati. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Yes, continue.
Don't ask me about this.
Very good. Don't ask me about this.
Don't repeat this question about that matter.
Very good. Don't repeat this question about that matter.
Don't worry about me.
Good. Very good. Give me sentences more, please.
Do you think about me?
Wow, very nice. Oh, माझ्याबद्दल तुम्ही विचार करतात का नाही? Good.
Do you know the Discovery Channel about animals?
Good.
He's always thinking about himself.
He is always thinking about himself. Nice. Karthik, he always thinking about himself. Yes,
I know everything about my friend.
I know everything about my friends. Good.
I don't know about this exam.
I don't know about this exam.
I
Anything?
just hear about IELTS exam.
I just heard about IELTS exam. I just hear some days I heard about IELTS exam. All right. Now this is the last chapter of our prepositions, which we are going to see today now over here, and we're going to finish it today itself if possible. So please help me to help you over here with the good sentences. Afraid of, good at, etc. Okay? Afraid of, good at, for, etc. with the preposition plus ing, activities and all. Afraid of and good at. What do you mean by afraid of? Bhiti.
भीती असणे.
Bhiti asne. Very good. Bhiti asne. And good at means what?
त्या गोष्टी
Good at.
चांगल्या असणे किंवा ती चांगली जमणे.
म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये आपण एक्सपर्ट असतो ना, त्याला म्हणतात आपण गुड ॲट. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज हियर adjective plus preposition. For example, pay attention. Help. Help. He is afraid of me. The dog is saying he is afraid of me. त्याला माझ्याशी भीती वाटते. He is afraid of me. I'm not very good at mathematics. I'm not very good at mathematics. Mathematics वर मी चांगला नाहीये. त्याच्यावर मी चांगला नाहीये. I'm fed up with my job. मी एकदम दमलेली माझ्या जॉबशी आता. मला जॉब करायचा नाही. I'm fed up with my job. All right. Now, for example, we are going to see some good and some high-level prepositions with the words which are over here, which you have to make sentences now with. For example, afraid of and scared of. Afraid of म्हणजे भीती वाटणे, भीती असणे, afraid of and scared of. Okay. For example, are you afraid of dogs? Afraid of dogs. Can you please give me some sentence with scared of and afraid of? For example, I'm afraid of darkness. Are you afraid of your father? Yes, I'm afraid of speaking English in public. Yes, give me sentences now, please. Afraid of.
I afraid of
I'm afraid of snake.
I'm afraid of snakes. Karthik.
I afraid of swimming.
I'm afraid of swimming.
I'm afraid of swimming.
Good.
Many
Ma'am.
girls are afraid of cockroaches.
Very good. Girls are afraid of cockroaches, right?
I'm afraid of lizards.
I'm afraid of
Lizards.
lizards. Good. I'm afraid of lizards.
Afraid of horror movies.
I'm afraid of horror movies. Good.
I'm afraid of talking on stage.
I'm afraid of talking on stage.
I'm afraid of aloneness.
I'm afraid of loneliness. Good. Nice.
I'm
You people are
afraid
making
of
good
traveling at
sentences.
night.
I'm
I'm
afraid of.
afraid of traveling at night.
I'm afraid of traveling at night. Good. Yes.
He is afraid of dancing on stage.
He's afraid of dancing on stage.
I'm afraid of going to alone.
I'm afraid of going alone. Good. Continue, please.
I'm afraid of swimming in deep water.
I'm afraid of swimming in the water. Yes. Continue, please, continue. Yes, continue, please.
He's afraid of telling his exam marks to the parents.
He's afraid of?
Telling his exam marks to the parents.
Very good. Next one. Continue, please, continue. Yes.
He's afraid of his new boss.
He's afraid of his new boss. Yes.
I'm afraid of in the middle of the forest.
I'm afraid in the middle of the forest. Not exactly, ma'am. मला भीती वाटते असं बोलायचं आपल्याला. I'm afraid of. I'm afraid of my father. I'm afraid of eating bananas at night. I'm afraid of dogs. मला भीती वाटते dogशी. Yes.
I'm afraid of darkness.
Good. I'm afraid of darkness. Continue.
I'm afraid of lions.
I'm afraid of lions. Okay. Anything else with afraid of? Afraid of. Okay. Next one is angry with. See, अगर आप लोग सेंटेंस अगर अभी नहीं बनाएंगे आप लोग को आगे चल के प्रॉब्लम होगा. हाँ. So please make some sentences. Good sentences I want from your side. अच्छे सेंटेंस चाहिए मुझे. Angry with. म्हणजे मी राग आलाय. अभी क्या बोलेंगे so angry with को मराठी में? त्याच्या सोबत राग आहे मला. Means what? I'm angry. Why are you angry with me? तुम्हाला माझ्याशी राग का
तुम्ही
आला?
माझ्यावर का रागवलेत?
Very nice. Why are you angry with me? What I have done? मेरी खता क्या थी? मैंने क्या किया? Getting it? Yes. Why are you angry with me? Can you please give me some good sentences? Angry with? Angry with? I'm angry with the system. System सोबत मी रागवलोय जरा. रागवलो. Continue.
Why
Angry
are you
with.
angry with you, brother?
You are angry with your brother.
I angry with my family.
I'm angry with my family. अरे यू रतालू मी angry आहे माझ्या फॅमिलीवर. मला गाडी दिली नाही त्यांनी. Yes, continue.
I'm angry with you.
I'm angry with you. I'm angry with you. Yes. Continue, please. Angry. Yes,
Why-
please. Sentences.
Why are you
Angry.
angry with the poor people?
I angry with my best friend.
Why are you angry with the? I'm angry with my best friend.
Why are you angry with your servants?
Good.
I'm angry with my chum.
Very good.
I'm angry with myself.
I'm angry with myself.
Why are you angry with she?
Why are you angry with her? Good. Why are you angry with her? Yes.
What's the reason you angry with your friends?
What's the reason you're angry with your friends? Good sentences. Good sentences. Guddu, Shivdas, Ankit. Ankit not making sentences, huh? Angry.
I
Yes.
He's angry with his father.
He's angry with his father.
I'm angry with watchman.
I'm angry with my watchman. Very good. Wow. I'm angry with my watchman. He's not allowing me in my home.
Shivdas.
I'm angry with Shivdas.
I'm angry with some people with talk about me.
I'm angry with some people who talk about me.
I'm
Yes.
angry with politics.
I'm angry with politics.
I'm angry with people who smoke.
I'm angry with people who smoke. Very good. Ma'am, Miss Chaitali, angry with. Yes, I'm angry. I'm angry with my rude behavior. Sometimes I'm angry with your pathetic personality. I'm angry with my internet connection today. Sometimes I'm angry with my dog. Okay, could you please give me some sentences like this? Angry about something. What do you mean by this? I'm angry about something. त्याच्याबद्दल angry. Angry about something. Just wait a minute, huh? I'm really sorry for this one. There is a little hookup. Continue please. I'm so sorry. Angry about. Okay, angry म्हणजे रागात आपण कशाबद्दल राग आहे आपल्याला. Are you angry about last night? काल रात्रीबद्दल तुम्ही angry आहेत का?
Sir, here we can't speak about person.
No, it is about things.
Yeah.
It is about things. You're not going to talk about the person, you're going to talk about the things. Are you angry about last night? Means something that happened last night. Are you angry about your अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल रात में क्या हो गया दोस्त के साथ में झगड़ा हुआ तो अपन बोल सकते हैं आर यू एंग्री अबाउट माय लास्ट नाइट फाइट आर यू एंग्री अबाउट द फाइट म्हणजे त्या फाइट बद्दल तुम्ही रागावलेत का सो मीन्स व्हाट
Are you
आर यू एंग्री
angry
अबाउट
about his behavior?
वेरी गुड आर यू एंग्री अबाउट हिज बिहेवियर
Are you angry about today's discussion?
वेरी गुड
Are you angry about last class? Yesterday
very
class?
good very good for example I'll give you more examples pay attention over here angry about and angry with angry about and angry with sorry I haven't written anything today just a minute please I'm so sorry I am angry with Jack आय एम अँग्री विथ जॅक. ओके, अँग्री विथ म्हणजे पर्सन सोबत. अँड आय एम अँग्री अबाउट जॅक्स बिहेवियर म्हणजे त्याच्या बिहेवियर बद्दल. बिहेवियर. सो बिहेवियर काय आहे? थिंग आहे. येस नो. त्यासोबत आपण काय लावणार? विथ. आय एम अँग्री. अरे बुलशिट. आय एम अँग्री. आय एम अँग्री अबाउट जॅक्स बिहेवियर. आय एम अँग्री विथ जॅक. दोघांमध्ये थोडा फरक आहे. आय एम अँग्री विथ जॅक अँड आय एम अँग्री about Jack's behavior. So
Sir,
angry
are you
about.
typing something?
Aren't you able to see?
No, sir.
I'm so sorry. Are you able to see now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
काय आपण बोलत नाही काय नाही हे.
I'm angry about the people who talk ill about me.
Very good boy. Pay attention here. Now I'm explaining something. Now if you see here, I'm angry with Jack. मी जॅक सोबत अँग्री आहे. I'm angry with Jack means what you're going to angry. We are going to use there angry with for people. Okay, good. And angry about means what? I'm angry about Jack's behavior. I'm angry about Jack's behavior. We are going to use here angry about for the things. For the things. समझा? समझ लो?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. I want sentences now with angry about. I'm angry about your behavior. तुमच्या बिहेवियर बद्दल रागवलोय मी. रागवलो. चला, otherwise I will get angry about your sentences. You're not making sentences. I'll get angry about your behavior. Continue. I want
He's
sentences
always
angry
angry
about.
about his job.
He's always angry about his job. Very nice. Very nice. Shivdas. Very good. Very good. Very good. अरे दरवेळेस रडतच असतो तो. He's angry about his job. Good. Nice. Yeah, continue please. Continue.
I'm angry about your birthday party.
I'm angry about your birthday party. Good. You haven't invited me yet, huh? To your birthday party.
I'm angry about the people who talk to me back.
I'm angry about the people's backbiting. I'm angry about the people's backbiting. Yes.
I'm angry about my boss.
I'm angry about my boss. No, I'm angry with my boss. And I'm angry about my boss behavior.
Behavior.
Correct. I'm angry about my boss nature. I'm angry about the deal. The deal baddal me.
I am angry about labor.
I'm angry about my labor.
I'm angry about the policy of government.
Correct. I'm angry about the policy of the government. Yes. Go
I'm
Corona.
angry about this topic.
I'm angry about this topic.
I'm angry about new rules of college.
Very good. I'm angry about the new rules of the college. Good. Yes.
I'm angry about this current situation.
I'm angry about the current situation. Very good.
6 pages.
Yes. Yes. Angry about. Okay. Could you please give me some new sentences with different from? ये थोड़ा हाई लेवल का है. हाँ, आप लोगों को ये सब आना चाहिए. Different from. Different from म्हणजे त्यापासून different आहे, त्यापासून वेगळं आहे. Lisa is very different from her sister. और Lisa is very different to her sister. म्हणजे मराठी में मेरे को इतना जबरदस्त नहीं आता है. Lisa is very different from her sister. Lisa तिच्या sister शी खूप वेगळी आहे. Can you please give me some sentences like this? This concept is different from that concept. This girl is different from that girl. This chapter is different from that previous chapter. This computer is different from HP. This cell phone is different from Apple. This place is different from other places. Do one thing. Do one thing. Shh, shh, shh.
This mobile is different from Samsung.
This class is different from other classes.
This teacher
Thank you.
This teacher
Very
different
good.
from.
Wait a minute. I'm so sorry. Yeah, you people were making good sentences. Continue, please. Different from Artik Londe.
Your behavior is different from other people's behavior.
Very good. Your behavior is different from other people's.
This
Good.
teacher is different from other teacher.
Very good. This teacher is different from the other teachers. Good. Yes.
My teacher is different from other teachers.
My teacher is different from other teachers.
Movie is different from other movies.
This movie is different from other movies. Guddu. Namrata is different from Sushmita.
I'm different from other person.
I'm different from other people. Person na oh, people. You said bana, purane wale ke. Yes, continue please. Continue. Different from. Ma'am, you're not making sentences.
The taste of organic vegetables is different from chemical vegetables.
Very nice. Good. Keep up.
This movie is different from previous movie.
Very good.
This
Guddu.
virus is different from other viruses.
Very good. Corona is different from other viruses. Good. This virus is different from the other viruses. Yes.
The year 2020 is different from the previous years.
Nice. There was a question asked in an interview. Please pay attention, all of you. Let's have a little fun. बहुत देर से अपन बहुत seriously sentence बना रहे ना. एक question है मेरा. There was an interview question. कार्तिक शिवदास अपन interview ला गेलतो ना.
Yes, sir.
There was a question in the interview. Where would you like to see yourself next 5 years? This question was asked in 2015. The answer was there. I would like to see myself at home in 2020 quarantine. Pandemic. My God. People wouldn't have imagined even that they are going to be at home 2020. Whole year was there at home only. Now people are coming outside now. It was a question there in the company in 2015. We should have given them answer. We would have been at home in 2020 pandemic. It was quite enjoying. But according to Jyotsna ma'am, according to me as well, the people who have taken pandemic as very positive way, they have learned and they have earned amazing things in this pandemic. Their life has been completely changed. I will give you one more example. Listen to me carefully. The people are there. I'll give you one more example. This pandemic has changed completely life of many people. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
In this case. And some of the people are there who are working in company. They've got work from home. कशा मजा येते ना. अगं तू पण बस, तू पण माझं काम बघ. आम्ही घरात काम करतो. असं काम करतो आम्ही कंपनीमध्ये. आमचं तर हॅलो काकू, मी काय एन्जॉय करायला लागलोय तर मला काय वर्क फ्रॉम होम चाललाय, एन्जॉय करतो. सॅलरी माझ्या अकाउंट मध्ये क्रेडिट होत चालली आहे. मी पण काय एन्जॉय करतो घरी. सकाळी 10 वाजता उठतो एकदम आरामशीर. अगं नम्रता चहा बनवगे. Enjoying. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But these people will face problems a lot ahead later on. I'll tell you my story. I had a class of rent in camp. Before this pandemic, I was running that class for 4 years. मैं वो class 4 साल से चला रहा था. It was on rent. And do you know one more thing? The greatest thing, अगर आपको पता चलेगा तो आप बोलेंगे अरे ऐसा भी होता है क्या? I was there in that class without agreements. वहाँ पे agreement नहीं था मेरा. Do you know why?
Why, sir?
Because that man used to trust me a lot. He said he used to blindly trust me. बोलता था सर आपके ऊपर मेरे को बहुत भरोसा है. Second thing, we did not make any sort of agreement over there. According to him, वो बोला सर नहीं बनाने का जरूरत नहीं, मेरे को मालूम है. And उसका trust मैंने कभी तोड़ा नहीं. My month used to get over on first of the month. और मैं उसको rent देता था month के start में पहले ही दे देता था मैं उसको. कभी 25th को देता था, कभी 28 को देता था, क्योंकि भाई उसने मेरे पे इतना भरोसा किया, तो मेरा काम है ना उसको भरोसा कायम रखने का। अब वो आदमी ने एक गलती किया। क्या गलती किया मालूम आप लोग को? व्हाट ही कमिटेड द मिस्टेक, ही गॉट वर्क फ्रॉम होम, he left the office and he shifted his hometown, and he's saying that I'm doing work from home, I'm doing work from home, I'm doing work from home. And now he left the office completely. He removed the furniture. I left my that classes and I got another classes. I got another classes. In that classes, the same which I've got just now, जो मेरे को अभी क्लास मिला है, it is the class of the owner. वो ओनर का खुद का क्लास है, and that owner was my partner. That owner was my partner before, and now he has granted me class blindly again. Second thing, अब जो पर्सन है जिसने, जो मेरा पुराना ओनर था, उसने क्या किया, ऑफिस छोड़ दिया वो, and he thought that अब लाइफ टाइम वर्क फ्रॉम होम चलेगा। चलेगा क्या?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I'll tell you the facts. I'll tell you the fact. One more thing. मैं आप लोगों को फैक्ट बोलता हूँ. When I started my online batches, it was going good. In the last month, I started one more batch in the evening 4:45. मेरा एक बैच होता है 4:45 to 6 o'clock. Do you know how many students were there in that class? Total 4. Only 4. And when I started classes offline, I made there 2 batches. Why? 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 Because people love to learn face to face. People love to learn with the expressions. People love to learn physically. Online कब तक चलेगा? चलेगा. I'm not going to stop online. मैं stop नहीं करने वाला online कभी भी. कभी नहीं करूँगा. But I'm just telling you, always remember, don't just sit on one single place. एक जगह पे मत रहो, आपको वो जगह पे भी harm हो सकता है. Keep on changing the places. Keep on motivating yourself. Keep on making yourself. I'll give you one video. मैंने एक वीडियो मैंने कल एक जगह वीडियो देखा था. मैं वीडियो देखता हूँ अगर मुझे मिला तो. Did you see what did I saw in the video? मैंने वीडियो में क्या देखा मालूम आप लोग को? In that video, I saw there was a crocodile in the water. Crocodile था water के अंदर. And a tiger came, the cheetah came, sorry. The cheetah came and directly pulled the crocodile out of the water. उसने डायरेक्ट crocodile को अंदर से खींच के लेकर आया. अभी कोई सोच सकता है क्या टाइगर अंदर पानी में आएगा? क्रोकोडाइल ने सोचा था कभी क्रोकोडाइल ने टाइगर अंदर आके अटैक करेगा पानी में?
No, sir.
कभी अपन ने सोचा था चाइना की वजह से अपने को इतना छुट्टी मिलेगा? कसले सुट्टे भेटले रे आम्हाला, कसले सुट्टे भेटले, लई फुल सुट्टे भेटले. बॉसला मी बोलायचो अरे सुट्टी द्या, असली सुट्टी भेटली आम्हाला, घराच्या बाहेरच नाही पडलो आम्ही. सुट्टे.
Sir, but situation is every time different, sir. That's why that
Ah.
happened.
Yeah, so I'm just telling you that always remember, do not sit in safe side or do not be in the comfort zone always time. Always remember, until and unless you're going to leave your comfort zone, you're not going to become successful.
Yes, sir. Every time you mold yourself in every situation.
Correct,
Then
exactly
only
right.
then only you become succeed.
Exactly. देखो मैम को मेरी बात जगह पे झटके में समझ में आ गई. Same case. I'll tell you one more thing. I think this bottle, आपको ये बॉटल दिख रहा है? This bottle is made of steel. स्टील से बना है बॉटल ये, ओके? ये बॉटल स्टील से बना हुआ है. I'll tell you one more thing. अगर ये बॉटल, ये स्टील पहले ऐसा था क्या?
No, sir.
ये कुछ दूसरे शेप में रहेगा. इसको शेप में लाने के लिए क्या किया उसने?
उसका मोल्ड चेंज किया, सर.
करेक्ट, उसका मोड चेंज किया उसने. इट इज द सेम माय डियर. अभी पहले ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव था क्या? अभी एक्सपेंसिव है ये?
अभी एक्सपेंसिव.
करेक्ट, एग्जैक्टली राइट. अभी एक्सपेंसिव है. इफ यू वांट टू बिकम समथिंग ग्रेटर, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट. आपने देखा डायमंड जब आता है तो पहले शेप में रहता है क्या? वो जब आता है नया डायमंड कभी नहीं रहता है शेप में. उसको शेप में करते वो लोग, पता है ना, देखा है ना आपने?
Yes, sir.
उसको शेप में बनाते, उन लोग शेप में काटते उसको डायमंड को, तब जाके डायमंड एकदम बनता है और फिर वो बिकता है। यस नो? क्या पत्थर गले में पहन के घूमते ये लोग डायमंड को, डायमंड पहन के घूम रहा हूँ मैं? नहीं, उसको शेप में डालते, शेप में उसको बनाते मस्त एकदम, फिर उसको, है कि नहीं कार्तिक? आपण तिला दिलेलं ना?
बर्थडे गिफ्ट.
हाँ हो दे, वो पीछे से बोला बर्थडे गिफ्ट दिया था उसने, मी पण दिलता तिला. So this is what exactly you have to work on it. So always remember, if you want to go amazing, work on it and you're going to get success. मैं आप लोग को स्टोरी बोलने वाला था बट अभी नहीं, बाद में बोलता हूँ. बहुत ही जबरदस्त स्टोरी है that you will
Tomorrow.
listen and you're going to get great vibes that oh my god yes. And okay, before we go ahead, मुझे कुछ पूछना है आप लोगों से. May I ask you?
Yes, sir. Long time back, we have done some exercises. Correct? हम लोगों ने कुछ exercise किया था.
Yes.
कौन सा exercise किया था?
सुबह जल्दी उठ के remember that.
अपन ने स्टोरी देखा था, वर्ड्स देखा था. Correct? What was there on the number 3? Can you please tell me? Number 3.
Tree.
Correct. Very good, girl. Tree was there. Okay. What tree it was?
Mango.
Monkey.
Correct.
Banana. Sir.
No,
Banana.
no. Mango tree था.
Monkey is there, sir.
Correct. There was a monkey. और monkey के हाथ में क्या था, मैम?
Banana.
Banana.
Correct. Monkey के हाथ में बनाना था. And it was a mango tree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. और क्या हुआ था वहाँ पर वो?
Monkey slapped the man.
Correct. Correct. Very good. Okay. Beach कहाँ पर था? Beach. Seashore.
Dubai.
Very good. दुबई में था. और वो कहाँ पे, कौन से नंबर पे था?
4 number पे sir.
Correct. Very good. Very good. 4 नंबर पे था. 4 पे था shore. Seashore था. दुबई का था. Very good. वहाँ पे animal कौन सा था?
Crocodile.
Crocodile.
Very good. It was a crocodile. Very good. Where was the fish?
In the first, sir, in park.
Very
or
good.
the-
Very good. Very good. It was in the number 1. First में था वो. और first में park कौन सा था? Garden कौन सा था?
Sarasbag sir.
Very good, ma'am. सारस बाग था उधर. और सारस बाग में क्या देखा था कार्तिक? मी तर तिथं मुली बघत बसलेलो.
Playing ball sir.
हाँ, very good. अपन ने वहाँ पे balls खेला था. Very good. What else?
Colors भी देखा था, sir.
Very good. Good. Animal कौन सा था वहाँ पर?
Fish था ना?
Fish
Correct.
sir.
Fish था. Very good. और कोई था क्या?
Family थी, sir.
Correct. Family थी उधर. Very good. Very good. Honey bee कहाँ पे था?
Second.
5th पे sir. Hive में.
Very good. Very good. It was on the number 5. Hive was there. Hive 5 में था hive और वहाँ पे था honey bee. Very good.
Camp area था sir. कुछ तो.
College में
Correct.
था ना,
Camp
sir,
का area था. Very good. Very good. Yes, शिवदास.
कॉलेज में था ना सर शायद.
करेक्ट. कैंप का एरिया था, कॉलेज में था. वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. अभी भी देखो अपने को याद है काय. बापरे कार्तिक आपलं डोकं चाललंय राव.
Sir, 2 पे zoo था.
करेक्ट. 2 पे क्या था? जू था. कौन सा जू था?
कात्रज में sir.
कात्रज वाला.
कात्रज का राजीव गांधी जू था. वेरी गुड. और इसके अंदर एनिमल्स कौन थे?
Leopard था sir.
वेरी गुड.
स्नेक शायद.
वेरी गुड. स्नेक भी था. वेरी गुड. चैताली. गुड टू.
Lion. Lion
वेरी
भी
गुड.
था.
लायन भी था. वेरी गुड. ओके 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 ओके. अच्छा, डॉग था अपनी स्टोरी में कहीं पर?
No sir.
No, sir.
करेक्ट. नहीं था. करेक्ट. डॉग नहीं था. आफ्टरनून में कहाँ थे हम लोग? आफ्टरनून कहाँ
कॉलेज में
पे?
शायद. कॉलेज.
ओके. और आफ्टरनून में अपन कहाँ थे? किसके साथ थे अपन आफ्टरनून में?
बीच में.
Family sir.
करेक्ट. नो, बीच पे थे.
बीच पे थे, sir. गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ.
करेक्ट. गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ में थे. वेरी गुड. अच्छा, फैमिली के साथ में कहाँ
कब
गए
थे
थे?
सर आप?
सारसबाग.
कात्रज sir.
Very good.
Sarasbag.
सारस बाग में गए थे. और फ्रेंड्स के साथ में कहाँ गए थे अपन?
दुबई.
दुबई sir. Shore पे.
वो गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ गए थे. फ्रेंड्स के साथ कहाँ गए थे अपन?
Zoo.
करेक्ट, जू में गए थे
On
अपन.
Thursday.
करेक्ट, ऑन थर्सडे. वेरी गुड, अमेजिंग. समझ में आ रहा है? सी, एक छोटा सा स्टडी मैंने आपको बताया था, आपको अभी भी याद है? यस नो?
Yes, sir.
इसके लिए कोई भी चीज को रिलेट करके रखने का आपको स्टडी बहुत इजी लगेगा. इट विल बिकम वेरी 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 इजी. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, I
See?
don't believe that thing. I remember that.
This is called this. हो, तसंच होणार आहे इथं बघा. So ultimately our mind works a lot. Yes or no? अपना mind बहुत जबरदस्त काम करता है. So please practice at home and work on your mind and try to relate them. See, अपने को ये बात बोलकर I think मुझे 1.5-2 महीना हुआ ना.
Yes, sir.
अभी भी अपने को याद है. Means what? Ultimately our brain is working amazing. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So please keep on practicing, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. And don't be absent tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, because I'm going to show you written English. Signature सीखना है कि नहीं आप लोगों को?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
सिग्नेचर किसका पडते कैसा? अभी देखो गुड्डू को बहुत जल्दी से तिचे आमची शेजारी राहते ना, तिचं सिग्नेचर घ्यायचं. अगं तिचं सिग्नेचर येतं ना, तुला बघायचं आहे मला. ओके, कैसे किसका सिग्नेचर पढ़ते हैं अपने वो देखना है. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheerio.
Cheerio, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sayonara, sir. Thank you, sir.